I didn't even check if my mic was on. Alright, my mic should be working. Hopefully. Hello. My mic is really low. I'm gonna turn this up. Okay, that should be a little better. Sup, Huke? Yo, the founder. Any giveaways? Not right now. Let me link this live to my Discord. We see you. If you know what's best for you, turn off the charts and won't trade this. I've traded FOMC before, so I know what's best for me. I'm not, just I know I've watched FOMC and I know how there's two stages and how it works. I'm not gonna force anything obviously, but if I see something that's clear to me, I'll take it. Plan on trading or just tape reading? I'll be tape reading for the most part, but if I see a setup, I'll take it. Like I'm not I'm gonna trade if I see something. I have this funded account. So if I see something, I'll take it on this funded. And my top step evals as well. Can you analyze Bitcoin? I mean, I don't really look at crypto, but sure, I'll take a look at it while we wait for FOMC. What do the futures start? Or maybe not. What's the? Oh, here we go. I don't know. Bitcoin is just took all-time highs, and it's like forming this kind of retail bull flag. So I wouldn't be surprised if it wanted to pump up one more time and then dump, or just dump from here. I don't really trade crypto. Why NQ is better than trading stocks? I mean, there's nothing wrong with trading stocks. It's just personal preference, I guess, kind of. My heart can't handle Bitcoin. That volatility ain't for the weak. The chop is real. The chop is real. Oh man, I'm doing good. Space. How you doing? We don't engage till after 2:30. Yeah, exactly. You let the first 30 minutes do whatever it wants to do, and then at 2:30 is when the second stage of FOMC starts, and that's when that's when I start to look for setups. Bonnet man, what's up? Do I have a video on how I trade? I mean, it's mainly just ICT concepts, but I'm gonna make a video like explaining specifically what I look for. But I'll probably just have that for my private group. So sell side down here. What's my entry model? 2022 for value gap. Hope you're doing good. The audio's I know the audio's low. I turned it up as much as I could um on OBS, but it's still pretty low. I don't know how to turn it up any more than what I have now. Oh wait. Is that better? Let me know if it's louder. Is it good now? It should be louder now. Did I take a position today? No, I don't trade before FOMC. Can I go over my higher time frame analysis? Yeah. Weekly chart. Not really much on the weekly chart other than this volume amount. I mean, not volume, this fair value gap, but I don't know if we're gonna get all the way up there. Daily chart, we have this daily inversion fair value gap that I have the high of it outlined, not outlined, but indicated. You can see this orange dotted line. That's the high of the daily inversion fair value gap. And then we have all these daily equal highs up here. So that's what like my attention is on mainly. Especially for this FOMC, we might want to run up aggressively into those highs. But yeah, this week, we've just been accumulating, so we might want to manipulate down first, and then Thursday, Friday, we run up these highs, or we just shoot up for them now. So we'll have to see what FOMC does. You got better, right? Perfect. How's the account doing? I mean, this is a new this one right here is just a funded account. But I have top step evals that I'm working on, so those are in profit, not passed yet, but I'm working on them. How long does it normally take to pass funded? Like 3 to 5 trading days. You're depressed, losing many evals. How to manage this? Journal about what you're doing wrong, and figure out how to stop doing what you're doing wrong, and maybe even take a break from the charts, because you don't want to go into the charts looking for something to make you feel better, because that's just only going to make you feel worse. Have I tried out OTE? I don't really use OTE. I do use fibs for like equilibrium, but OTE I don't really like use it. I'm not investing in crypto, no. What's my risk per trade for passing challenges? Not over leveraged. I don't risk like half the account size, or like I don't full port. I risk accordingly, and because I have like a above average RR, like risk to reward return, it doesn't take me that long to pass an account. If you're from Germany, I don't know. You'd have to go on their website to see if they allow you to trade with them. They should though. It's futures. What's my average RR? Like 1 to 4, 1 to 6. Someone who's going first time profit. What do I suggest? 0.5%, half percent. Rokinos. What entry model do I use? 2022 fair value gap. For an ICT student, it's only right to have the mic volume ridiculously low. Either ridiculously low or just like some horrible mic quality. What's up, CB? Am I bullish or bearish? I don't really hold a bias on FOMC for the first 30 minutes, but we have the buy side up here, and then we have sell side down here. So we'll see. Ultimately, or like over the long run, I do want to see this buy side get hit. So even if we do drop first, I would still want to see us run up for that buy side eventually. And that's what we could see because we're having accumulation, right? This whole week we've been going sideways, so FOMC could want to manipulate down, and then we start to have a run higher for the buy side, or we just run up for the buy side. So I don't really have a bias right now, but my points of interest are these equal highs and this sell side. What confirms my entry on fair value gap? Narrative. The reason why behind why that fair value gap should work. That 2022 model not good by itself. You can make a living off of 2022 model by itself. What do you think about his new 2024 mentorship? I think it's good. It's really good. He talks a lot about psychology in the first few episodes, which I like, and he also he's been like just simply like him reading price. Even though he like talks a lot while like price is printing, he still like throws in like little hints and gems about what price should do. So you just have to really be paying attention to what he's saying. But other than that, I think it's good. Will be funny if we deny that buy side again. I know. I thought like every time we came up to it, I thought we were gonna sweep it like towards the end of August, and we just never took it, and then we just dropped. Did I learn from the ICT 2022 or 23 model? I watched both mentorships, but I used the 2022 entry model. Ever had any payout issues or payout denied with Top Step? No, not with Top Step. What is my opinion on scalping? What do you mean? I mean, technically, I am a scalper, so I don't know what you mean by that. You're welcome, Anissa. Does Top Step payout with no? Yeah, Top Step has no payout issues that I've ever seen. I also have this stream on like the lowest latency, so like there's like maybe like a 1 second, like a 3 second delay from like real time. What's my stop loss on each trade? Typically, wherever it is a reasonable place for a stop loss. I don't have like a set handle amount or like tick amount. It's basically just market maker buy model on the picture. Am I gonna trade currency pairs again? Maybe in the future. I don't plan to anytime soon though. You guys took that buy side, so we're not using the conflicting at SMT for shorts. Not because of how smooth these are. Like if like, just think, bro. Like retail sees this as clear, either demand zone or like resistance. Like this is too clean. So maybe it feels like a single swing high, and ES took it, and NAS was like this. Then yeah, we could use that as SMT. But since it's like such an obvious buy side level, and there's multiple highs relatively equal, then I still think that NAS is likely to run those highs. Will I be taking trades today? Yes, if the opportunity presents itself. Real Sauce is core content. I didn't watch much of his core content. I watched some of it. Love my content. Thank you, Jason. Top Step's been in business. Yeah, Top Step has been around. I don't know if it's been around the longest. I don't want to say the longest, but I know they've been around for like over 10 years. You want to learn from me? Can you join Premium? Yeah, it's in the Discord. The Discord link is in the stream description. Should I switch to futures? Your opinion? There's no like, it's not like futures is better than forex. It's just ICT started trading futures, so like if the guy I'm learning from is trading futures, then I figured I might as well trade futures as well. And that was like towards the beginning while I was learning, so I just switched and it didn't really affect me. There's a 5 second delay. Yeah, it's not too bad. Am I trading FOMC? Yeah, if the opportunity presents itself. account is closed, do you have to pay the one fee again? Pass another account. Yes, Jack. Every time you pass the eval, you have to pay the activation fee. Will I be taking the trade on live? Yes, I will. Actually, matter of fact, I think I need to what the heck? Oh no, not that. What's my PC specs? Well, my PC is horrible. Like, it's actually bad. It's like, I think it's like 4 years old. No, not even 4, maybe like 5. 5-year-old PC. We have FOMC in 20 seconds. I'm trying to, Alright, let's go on the 1 minute and see what FOMC does. So we drop. Now we're rallying higher. Let's see if we want to run up for that buy side. What is this? Yesterday's low, previous day's high, I mean. So we have previous day's high right here. So we sweep previous day's high. And we're going to see if we want to keep on running to those equal highs at 19,924.75. So we'll keep our charts like this. Full port, I'm not gonna buy full. Why don't I just buy multiple monitors? I used to have another one, but it broke. So I only have one right now. Yeah, 1 day is all it takes, Leslie. What's the difference between mini NASDAQ and NASDAQ? A mini NASDAQ is the regular one, and then like I think you're talking about micros. Micros is like 10 micros equals 1 mini contract. So it's just micros are just smaller contract sizes. How long did it take me to pass my first eval? I don't even know. I cannot tell you. Apex funding are still having pay. I don't know. I don't touch Apex. Trading is gambling. Yes, trading FOMC itself is gambling. I agree. But I trade after. Is MFF coming back? I don't know. Probably not. After 30 minutes, it's going opposite direction. Possibly, or it can stop right here, create an equal high with the higher time frame buy side, and then retrace, and then at 2:30 we run higher again and run out that buy side. So this is what I meant by we can run straight for that buy side. So if we don't take out the buy side by 2:30, then I'll look for a continuation up during that second stage to run out that buy side. What's my chart layout? What do you mean, like the colors? I think it's just the same as ICT's. How do you know to trade the next month's contracts? You go on barcharts.com and see which one has more open volume, I think, or something on that website. Apex funding any good? I don't touch Apex. God of ICT, isn't that where he said FOMC was gonna be aiming at? I don't know if he said that. First rate cut since 2020. Can you tell me why I don't see that candle on my chart? Maybe you might have delayed data. If you don't have delayed data, then I don't know. We need to get Top Set to remove the evaluation or the 5-day payout. that's that's their rules, bro. That's the downside of trading prop firms. Like, how do I form that logic? What do you mean? What's FOMC? One of the biggest news events in the stock market. Let me see what you guys are doing. So this high is the same one. We'll just draw from there. We'll see if Nas wants to run up there. We'll go on the, we'll do this. Okay, first of all, we need to make the background lighter. There we go. We'll have the 1 minute on the left, and then on the right, we'll have the 15-minute. Like that. So we trade on those days? No, you don't trade before or during FOMC, but I trade after FOMC. But you definitely don't want to be trading before or during. You're in long right now. Nice. How have I been? I've been good, bro. Thanks for asking. Keep my head up? Yeah, trying to, bro. What would you study if not trading? Initial idea. If I wasn't trading, I would be studying if we want to take out this buy side, which is like the same idea I had basically. Functionally usually has two stages. First, fake Judas move, and the other is original continuing trend move. Yeah, exactly. But we can have an instance where we have this rally up, and then second stage we get like some kind of manipulation down into like a 15-minute fair value gap if we form one, and then we run, and then we have like a continuation run since our higher time frame objective has not been met yet. You already got some new accounts not funded. They're evals. When does it end? It starts at 2, and then there's another kind of like there's like another stage, like it's like the second stage at 2:30, and then it usually ends like around 3. Get a caution screen because some people are here for signals. I mean, if they're here for signals, then I mean that's on them. I have let me do this real quick. Wait, I don't know what just happened. Wait, hold on. I don't think you guys can see anything right now. Okay, there we go. I'll put this up for a little bit. Just for a few seconds. Plan on trading your funded versus funding accounts. What do you mean, Jack? You really have delayed? Yeah. You gotta get real-time data, bro. It's like $7 a month. Powell comes in 2:30. That's second stage. Yeah. What time after FOMC do you think is safe to trade? After 3? After 3 is good, but I look for setups at like 2:30. All right, now we got that out of the way. We should be able to just. I don't know why this one's not working anymore. If I turn that off, everything just goes away. Maybe I need to add a new one. It was just working too. Oh well. I guess you guys will just have to see my my entire screen. because that's the only thing that's working right now. Oh, there we go. All right, cool. All right, so we have not taken out that higher time frame buy side yet. Do I not look at ES chart for divergence? Yeah, I do. Okay, Michael Huddleston. ICT is looking at for the move up, allow daily equal highs. I never got hit. Yeah, that's this level, the 19,924. How's my funding going now? Funded again or just doing new evals? I just have new evals on Top Step. I have this funded account with my funded futures, but other than that, I just have some Top Step evals. Bad for T trades. Change the name for your own good. What are you talking about? Bat trades. Am I trading new evals? Yes. Buy side has been taking on all other brokers but CME. If it hasn't been taken on the futures charts, then that's what I'm looking at. So they're still intact. The risk disclaimer is for T trades, bro. The risk disclaimer is for everyone, bro. I didn't even get this from his channel, bro. It's just a simple risk disclaimer. Have they announced rate cuts yet? I think so. Am I waiting till after 2:30? I am. What are those? I guess. It's got to do with something with your psychology, Jan. Where to get info on FOMC calendar? Forexfactory.com. ICT pull up on your boy. Opinions on market replay? I don't use it. I think the best way to get whatchamacallit, market experience is just through live market experience. Can I fill up your survey yet? How often does FOMC happen? Once a month. Let's see if we hold this new week opening gap, what we do at it. Why is my 10 minutes late in trading view? Do you know fix? Zero Flame, you might have delayed data, so you might have to purchase real-time data on trading view. I sit about and don't know what to do, bro. You gotta use your thinking power, bro. Because the reason why you blow your accounts will be different from the reason why everyone else does. I mean, it might be like the same concept, like over leveraging or over trading, but the reason behind why you actually do those things might be different than everyone else. Read it and you'll see T Trade's name in it. I don't know where I got this from. Oh yeah, someone sent this to me. I guess they got it from T Trades. Wait for Black Friday to buy TradingView? Yes. Definitely wait for Black Friday. It is concerning, Harley. I don't know how people don't have real-time data. Alright, so we took out previous day's high. We're starting to get a deep retracement. This red line down here is previous day's low. I have that marked out in case we also want to run for that, because we have the equal low made from earlier today. So there's a lot of sell side. Red discounts like on Black Friday, I think it's like half off for a year. Like instead of $800 a year, I think it's like 400. They trading in the past. How do I update? Yeah, you have to pay Zero Flame. I think it's like $7 a month. It's like 300 for premium. Yeah, it's really cheap compared to like the normal price. Yeah, instead of 800 a year, it's like 300 a year. Explain the difference between NQZ 2024 is the continuous contract, and then, sorry, NQZ is like the rotating contract. So like for this one, it's the December contract, and it rotates um every 3 months, every quarter it rotates. I think, yeah, because there's four different ones. And then the NQ1 is the continuous contract. So this one never changes. This one is like the continuous contract that will always be the same. Why do I stay away from Apex? I don't know. They just seem sketch. They've always seemed to sketch from the start, so I just don't go with them. My trading today, yeah, if the opportunity presents itself. No, ultra mega. You don't. Wait, well, since they have, I think if you trade through their platform, TopStep X, you don't have to pay for real-time data. But again, like real-time data is only $7 a month, so it's not like anything expensive. The higher pricing is just for like to have like the seconds chart or like well, that's the only reason I pay for the premium is just to have the 30-second and 15-second chart. Unrealized gains, yeah, exactly. I don't like that about Apex. Can you trade more than 5 micro contracts for 50K? Depends on the firm. Delusive. Go short? I'm not going short. How many accounts can you copy trade with what prop firm? Manish. Why am I streaming on YouTube and not club members in my Discord? Because I'm just doing a free one today. I do the live streams with my club members every day. And I do like a free one like this like every once in a while. Not too often. How am I so mature for my age? Just self-realization, I guess. Being aware. Not trying not to react on your emotions. Top step? Wait, what did you ask? Yes, you can. Delusive. If you trade through their platform. If you trade through TopStep X, yeah. Which prop firm is the best? I like TopStep personally, but there's no like best prop firm. There's no free one Friday. Yeah, no free one Friday. This is the free one. What's 19? What's 15,926? What are you talking about? Are you talking about 19? Are you talking about this buy side level? The buy side liquidity? How old am I? I'm 20. Trading humbles you? Exactly. Trading does humble you. Trading forces you to mature. Wait, NQZ is what? NQZ 2024 is the December contract. So we rolled over from the September one. Is there activation fee for Top Step? Yes. Have I tried MFFU? Yes, I have a funded account with them right now. which is what I'll be trading if I see something. How many top step accounts? I don't. You can have 5 at once, if that's what you're asking. If you turn 21, Vegas, all funded payouts on Reddit. Yep, exactly. That's the first thing I'm doing when I turn 21. What age did I start trading? 18. Oh yeah, 19,926 is this buy side level up here, which is all of these. Go on the daily chart. We have all of these equal highs. It's easier to see on like the 4-hour. You can see how we have all these equal highs. It's buy side liquidity. So at 5-minute fair value gap, we're starting to push higher now. So you see how we ran up, but we left that buy side intact. So we got our retracement, and now I'm waiting for that 230. Waiting for that 230 time. If we run out that buy side before 230, then I'll look for shorts. But if we still have that buy side intact, then I'll look for that as a target. My mic is so trash. That's part of being an ICT student. Your mic has to be trash. Good liquidity on both sides. I'm getting this no matter what, bro. Don't force it, bro. But yeah, we do have it just depends what the market structure provides. But yeah, we'll see. We have this fair value gap that we just tapped into. Right there. See if that wants to send us higher. How long have I been trading for? 2 years. I think it will take yesterday's low. Maybe. But I want to see this buy side get taken first. I'm forcing this shit out of this. Trash mic and trash FPS and quality. Nah, just a trash mic. Or like you could like 15 frame, like 15 FPS is mandatory for ICT student live stream. The demons inside me coming. Nice. Every time you breathe, it peaks the mic. Alright, I see like one guy complaining about my mic, and then like the rest are fine. So is my mic a problem or not? Cause I don't know if it's bad. Nah, we bearish, bro. We'll see. No, you don't have to pay a monthly fee, Gavin. Turn up your setting on YouTube. For me, it's clear. Yeah, I don't know what these guys are talking about. How old was I when I bought my first house? I was 12. Bro, glazing the mic. You do fine. Alright, perfect. Maybe that guy's speakers aren't fine. Maybe. The breathing adds authenticity. Exactly, bro. He's just searching something to hate on. Sir, it's not clear for us. Am I going to take a trade? Yes, if I see something. ASMR breathing. Bro, my mic's not even like that close to my mouth. Put my boys on my vids. Thanks, bro. Did they like it? How much to join my member Discord, and it's only one-time payment or monthly? There's multiple options, Swan. Just go in the Discord in my description, in live stream description. Go to the Discord, and then you'll see a section for that. Let me hold on. Let me measure out this wick midpoint and see where it's at. Okay. So we're approaching that 2:30 time. We got 6 more minutes or 7 more minutes. We're inside of this BISI. Does FOMC create higher low of the week? For a week like this, since FOMC is like the only main news event this week, then most likely, I think we could potentially do so. Like if we take out these highs, the 19,926, we take out those highs and then sell off for the rest of the week, that would be FOMC creating the high of the week. So we might create high of the week with FOMC. Is it really you, Blazing, or is it him? It is me. He's not. He's gone. He's not gone, but he's in the back seat. I'm in the driver. What pair? Nah, this is futures NQ. Gulps and swallows. Pause. Yeah, exactly. Delusive. Good trading day. Bad trading day is not determined by your P&L. Just blew my XFA. Come on, bro. You gotta lock in. How old am I? 20. 100 for a Discord LMAO. You do not have to buy it, Nick Gat. I'm perfectly fine with you not being there. How long have I been trading ICT concepts? For almost 2 years. Did it to myself. I don't know why I traded FOMC when I was in good profits. Yeah, you don't want to be touching FOMC. Please, what pair are we trading? This is Nasdaq, but NQD 2024. It's futures contract. It's not a forex pair. 5 minutes till 2:30. So I might have to lock in here soon. 15-minute BC looks like it'll be a breakaway gap. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. Do I ever have ES pulled up for SMT? I have ES right here. So I just have like multiple tabs. And I'll look for FOMC. I'll look for SMT around 2:30. What is a BISI? It's a bullish fair value gap. Failed my BISI already, bro. What? Can I add custom indicators on top of X? Let me see. Yeah, you can add indicators, but I don't know if you can add custom ones. I know, bro. Blowing your account is not no joke, bro. Overdone shit, bro. You gotta figure out what's going on, bro. Gotta figure out what's going wrong. I speculate them highs are gonna get took. Same here, bro. Where do I go to school? I don't go to school. Do I use Tradeovate? For one of my accounts, yes. Did I ever do a video about journaling? If not, can I make one? Yes, I have had multiple people ask me to make a video about journaling, so I think I'll do that in the near future. What ICT videos should I watch when learning how to trade? 2022 mentorship is good. Is there a major difference? I don't even know. I think there's a difference in like the volume imbalances and like the price delivery, but I just stay on the continuous contract. Did I drop out? Yes. Anything to take? Not right now. I think he wants you to join him in the backseat. Nah, he's nowhere to be found, bro. Right now, I'm just chilling. We got 3 minutes. So we have this 15-minute for value gap that we might want to drop into right at 2:30, which also lines up with this small 1-minute imbalance. But if we just run through that, then we'll run for previous day's low. What year did I drop out? 2023, I think. 2024 mentorship is the best so far. Yeah, it's pretty good. Am I gonna have to pay taxes on the 30K I lost? No, I'm not, because I didn't even withdraw it. So I'm gonna get this Nuki. What? Why am I not looking at the unicorn model? Because it's not 2:30 yet. And I don't know what unicorn model you're talking about. I don't see a unicorn model right now. Demon Blake. He's sleeping right now, bro. What was my major? I don't know, some random business major. Thoughts on Justin Whalen and TJR? TJR is a straight guru. Justin, I don't know. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews about him, so I can't, and I don't really like know too much about him, so I can't really speak on him. But from what I've seen, he seems to be doing pretty good. I like his psychology videos about like Taoism and stuff. I think those are pretty good. What's at 2:30? The second stage of FOMC. I dropped out of college, not high school. What's my monthly target? I don't have one. Sir, is this forex or crypto? This is futures, not forex, not crypto. It's futures. Open the 15-second chart. Ghost in the machine. Wait, is that ICT on his like hidden account? Telling me to open the 15-second chart? Ghost in the machine. That's funny. Imagine that's ICT on like his secret account, and he just told me to open the 15-second chart. That'd be funny. Why is TGR a guru? Bro, it's so obvious. What do you mean why? What videos did I watch to learn ICT? 2022 and 2023 mentorship. ICT from which? Do I think backtesting is worth it? I think backtesting is worth it to like if you to like see what you're looking for in real time. But like after a while, I think it's better to just forward test and get that real price action. So we're still holding this fair value gap. 230 just hit, so I'm watching to see what we want to do here. Why did Fredo quit trading? Because he went all in on dropshipping. So don't backtest any. So I don't backtest anymore. No, I don't personally. I wonder if the scaling for the starter accounts is for my funded futures. I wonder if the scaling is correct. Because if so, then I'm gonna use micros. But I forgot. I have to go through their FAQs, bro. Okay, yeah, it does. Okay, I'm gonna trade micros. So I'm gonna have the micros chart on the left for when I want to enter. And I'll just trade micros. Thoughts on CRT and Romeo? A whole bunch of Twitter marketing BS. Is it possible to live only off trading? Yes. I thought you weren't supposed to trade on FOMC days. Yeah, you're not supposed to trade before or during FOMC, but you can trade after. But it's not like for a beginner, you probably shouldn't be trading FOMC days. It'd be easier to just avoid them. Is Powell sleeping? No, I think I don't know. What is FOMC? It's a news event. 1 micro equal 1 contract. Talk to with Tradeovate. With Tradeovate, yeah. There's no micro scaling on Tradeovate with Top Step. You got to use their platform. DXY is selling off. So these things should be wanting to run higher. We have a fair value gap here that looks pretty appealing to me. I think I will possibly get in here. I'll do we'll just have it here. We might not come back down there. Okay, we just get ran through. All right. May have had my stop loss misplaced. I did not take that on my top step evals because I was trying to figure out, trying to log into the platform. So we came down, rebalanced this. So I'm going to see if we start pushing higher again. Maybe I can find a re-entry. I don't have the chat open right now because I'm trying to focus on price. So you guys give me a sec. Okay, looks like we might come down into that 15-minute fair value gap. See if we use this as an inversion. Or if we just wanted to sweep out that low. I wish I had a second monitor. It'll make things a lot easier. I hope no one else took that trade. I did show the risk disclaimer, so it's at your own risk. Watching this. See if we hold that. I'm not taking it though, I'm just watching it. See if we want to run higher, or if we hold this 1 minute 1 minute civvy that we're in right now. Because I'm still bullish, but we have this 1 minute civvy that we created. It looks like that 1 minute civvy is holding. So let's go back on the 1 minute. Might be better to just wait for the macro because we're still moving sideways. I thought we would start moving higher from up here, but then we did that, so now I'm back to sitting on my hands for now, at least until we get closer to the macro, like another 5 minutes or so. See if we can return back to the new week opening gap. Yes, and that's doing the same thing. So right now we're just kind of sitting inside the range created by the FOMC candle. You can see we're sitting at equilibrium right now of the range. So you don't want to be forcing anything right now. Or else you're just going to get chopped up. Alright, so we're about to hit that new week opening gap. This is the new week opening gap from this new week. So this is the current new week opening gap. And there you can see we hit it. And this is that 15-minute fair value gap that we are also inside of. So let's see what we do here. If we start pushing up higher, I'll look for longs, but if we just run straight through this, then I'll look for shorts, but I am still bullish. So you can see we're getting nice reaction from these PD arrays. We're about to get a new 15-minute candle in 1 minute, so we'll look for that 15-minute candle power of 3. Unless we just keep selling off. So I'm watching to see if we want to use this new week opening gap as resistance and run lower, or if we want to get back above it, hold this 1 minute fair value gap and start pushing higher. Q banks over ICT. Wow. Might be the hottest take I've ever heard. Alright, so we closed above the week opening gap and we're starting to reverse higher. So I want to see if we can show some nice bullish market structure. And we have no bearish fair value gaps. I'm watching this 15-minute busy. I don't know if we'll return back there. We might form a 1 minute fair value gap here as well. If we do manage to get above this old SIBI, I want to see us use it as an inversion fair value gap. Alright, let's see what we do here. So no 1 minute fair value gap, which is what I was waiting for. We did not form one. We're at the new week opening gap again. We have a small volume imbalance right here. We'll make this white. No, it's kind of hard to see. We'll make this yellow. I don't enter off volume imbalances, so I'm not going to enter here. I like to use fair value gaps, so I gotta wait for a fair value gap to form. But there's a volume imbalance off that retracement. It's also an order block. So we have that macro starting now. Let me highlight that macro. So I'll use these dotted lines to distinguish the macro timing. So we came up, then we had a sharp retracement to the volume imbalance and the new week opening gap high that we hit. Then we're starting to push up higher. So again, like I said, I'm just waiting for a fair value gap to form to the upside, and then I'll see if I can take an entry if I like it. But I gotta see that price wants to go higher first, because right now we're still kind of moving sideways inside of that range created by FOMC. Like, we're still sitting at equilibrium. So I want to see some expansion. No more of this back and forth, which should happen during this macro. Patience. There's nothing wrong with sitting still. And if I'm wrong and we run lower, then I'll look for shorts. There's nothing wrong with being wrong, and there's nothing wrong with sitting still. It's one of the most important skills of trading, sitting still. We'll take that off for now, because it hasn't done anything yet. So we'll keep that red for now, and then if we do get above it, I'll change it back to the inversion. Alright, so we had this fair value gap here on the 15-second chart. That is holding. We have another one that we just hit. I kind of want to go long right now, but there's no fair value gap. But I feel like we're about to just shoot up. If we get another 15-second fair value gap, I'll get in. I don't want to be risking that much though. I want my stop here. We're gonna go 5. Wait, what did I do? Let me see. Let's do market if we see something. So I'm looking to see on the 1 minute if we want to come down and touch that opening price. We have a 1 minute for value gap as well. So I'll use that. As my entry. Really, I want to put my stop loss here, but how do I do that thing again? There you go. Okay, let's see if we just get ran through again. This will be it. If I take this loss, then I'll just watch for the rest of the session. Alright, yeah, I'll just watch. I think I just had a bad stop loss placement again. Or not again. The first time was just offsides, but this one I may have just had poor stop loss placement. But I'm not going to take yeah, I'll just watch. We're still respecting that so 1 minute order block that I had marked out. Well, we have to get through this Sibby. Still moving pretty slow. But I probably should have had my stop loss lower. Price moving very, very slow. So look what we've done ever since FOMC. What have we done? Nothing. We took out like sell side right here, and then other than that, we filled in this inefficiency. And ever since then, we've just been slowly grinding higher back to this old bearish fair value gap, and now we're hitting that again, and we're having a hard time getting through it. So this is why you don't want to be trading on days like on FOMC days, because this is what this is what you'll get. The only thing that we did do is take out previous day's high. Other than that, we have not done a single thing. We have the, let me move this over, the midpoint of this wick, but we were just running straight through that. But I'll keep it on there because we might want to use it later after we close below it. Someone tell me how to make my computer font like his. I think it's because I'm on a Windows. When you're on Mac, it looks a lot different. If people are really having full-on arguments in my chat, bro, come on. Do better, bro. Or we might see a run to for sell side now. Because we're disrespecting bullish PD arrays, respecting bearish PD arrays. About to form a 1 minute for value gap. This old BISI that we might use as an inversion. See what ES is doing. ES is also dropping. Does ES have sell side? Yeah. So here's minor sell side. And then previous day's low is down here. So there's minor sell side. And we have FOMC low, which is right there. And then we have previous day's low. $15 for value gap that we're inside of right now. Let's see if this wants to send us lower. We have this old BISI If we come up to that, I don't want to see us get above that. Came down, hit the new day opening gap from the 17th. We did not take out a news low. We made a relatively equal low. ES also did not take out that low, so I still think that I still think we have a lot more room to the downside. See if we can start breaking lower now. We hit the high of the September 17th new day opening gap again. But since I am bearish, I don't want to see us respect it. I just want to see us run through it like that. And then see if we create another 15-second fair value gap. That'll take us down to previous day's low. So we have a 15-second fair value gap right here. If we come up there, I'll go short again. It might be too late. Oh, that was a horrible fill. Well, we'll see if we want to run out that previous day's low here. Which we should. You know what? Wait, oh. Okay, my thing is very buggy right now. I should just wait until we got up into the fair value gap, but it's whatever. Horrible RR. Oh. I might just get out of this because I'm not setting a good example for you guys, so I'll just get out at break even. I'll just get out even if it wants to run down there. I don't want to be showing you guys, bad stuff, so we'll just observe this or watch this 15-minute CV. Even though I think it's very, 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 very likely to send price lower, I'm not going to take it. Even though I can potentially, even though I think I'm likely to make money on this, I'm not going to take it because I don't want to be showing you guys bad examples. So we'll just watch. We have a 1-minute fair value gap as well. That's right above the that we just tapped into. So we'll see if now we want to drop to previous day's low. ES took out the news low, but barely so. And we have this fair value gap, so this should send price lower and we should drop from here. I'll keep ES up so we can see the ES sell side level as well. Let me open the chat, see what you guys are saying. Go buy now, bro. No. You probably don't want to be buying now since we're this close to previous day's low. Bro's gonna trade in because you got into the trade too late. I mean, there's not really like no too late, bro. Like, you don't have to catch the whole move to make money. Like, I could enter on this fair value gap and still catch part of the move and still make money. There's no such thing as entering too late. But I'm not going to because I already took my 2 trades of the day, and I want to teach you guys. I want to set a good example. So, you know, even though I could potentially make money here, I'm not going to take it because I already took my trade for the day. Everyone is saying long. All right, we'll see how these long. You know what? I'll do this. How about okay, I'm on paper trading. We'll do this. How about this? We'll go long for everyone who's dumb enough to. Not sorry, not dumb enough, but anyone who wants to go long, we'll go long and see how that. We'll see how this plays out. Let's see how long plays out. Everyone wants to go long. Where would the target be, guys? Since everyone, no, I'm not listening to them. I just want to show them why you shouldn't go long right now. And we'll have a long set out. We'll put our stop loss, I don't know, down here. Everyone's saying long. Let's see what happens if we go long. It's gonna go long. Everyone's saying go long. Get my funded accounts back? No, not yet. Buy something. No, I'm on paper trading. Blasian paper trading. Chat is full of clowns. Yeah, I know. That's why I don't read the chat while I'm trading. But I'm back now. I'm done trading. Buy side is the draw, bro. Why are you guys saying buy side is the draw when we clearly have previous day's low like right here? You guys are like not using your brains. But we'll see. We'll see if chat is the best analysis. They're probably seeing this run up. They're like, "Oh my gosh, yes, we're so right. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh, yes, we're gonna pump. We're gonna pump now. Oh, we're gonna pump so high now." I'm not I'm not crashing. I'm not crashing out, bro. I'm not crashing out. Everyone saw this run up. They're like, "Oh, we're going higher. We're going higher, guys. We're going higher." But look where the bodies closed. Where did the bodies close? Yes, bodies respected that. We shall see what happens. Where would the target be, guys? Where would the target be, chat? For all the people who are long, what price point would the target be at? And where would your stop loss be? Why am I trying to trade? No, this is paper account. I'm trading for my chat because everyone's saying go long, but I think we're gonna go short. So partial at set 19,725. Okay, where's the stop loss? The chat got the algo. 2R. All right, let me see. 2R. All right, there. 2R. 2R trade. No stop loss. Stop loss is for losers. Chat is the inner circle. I guess so, bro. Chat is the inner circle. Break even now? All right, I got you. What brokers? This is paper trading, bro. Just take the 10K, bro. No. 50K easy bag. 50K? You want a 50K TP? No, I'll keep it where you said. 25. 19,725 is what you said. Well, I guess chat. I guess chat is the algo. Chat is the algo. Humble my bro Zane. I am completely humble, which is why if I wasn't humble, bro, I would take this on my funded account and trade against you guys. But clearly, like, I could care less about this, bro. No, chat is actually the algo. We're hitting this 15 minute fair value gap right now. The low of it. Look at that. Maybe I should just live stream every day on YouTube and then just ask you guys like if I should go long or short. Close now? Why would I close now, bro? You gotta hold for your TP. Don't be scared, bro. You can't be emotionally trading. You gotta hold for your TP. That's what you said. I asked you what your TP was at the beginning of the trade, and you can't say close now, bro. That just shows that you're emotional, bro. Come on. Take profits, bro. I asked you guys where to put TP. You said TP here, so that's where I put it. I'd end the live, bro. You tilted, bro. The fact that you think that I care about this, bro, clearly shows that you don't know who I am, bro. Uh-oh, chat. Are you guys scared now? Why did I take 2 L's? Because I was offsides. I was long. I was looking for longs, and we're clearly going short. That's why I took 2 L's. And you know you're not going to be on sides every day, so I mean, I'm okay with taking a loss, bro. Scale up? This guy said scale up. Should I add more? Once TP hits, go short. Demon Blade is not in the building. Who's Chad? No, Chat. Not Chad. It's crazy how these people hating me while they didn't even pass an account. I know. It's the people who are... Just remember, guys, hate never comes from above. Just remember that. Pyramid. This guy's saying pyramid. Why you salty chat was right, bro. Why do you guys keep saying I'm mad, bro? Thank you, Michael. Add 5 cons. I don't know. It looks like we might reverse here. We hit that 15-minute inversion for value gap. I don't know, guys. This is what you guys said. You guys said TP here. Move stop loss up to FOMC buy side. What? Go for the buy side. Okay, now you guys are telling me to go for the buy side. So you guys are calling. You guys are turtle souping the whole move is basically what I'm hearing, and you guys want me to add more. So I'll add more here, right, on this fair value gap, and we'll see. Everyone's saying to add. Add 10? I'm not going to add 10, bro. I had 10 already. Immediate rebalance. Where is the immediate rebalance? Realistically, your stop loss would be here or here. If you were really... I'll move the stop loss to there for you guys. How many MNQ do I use for 50K account? Like between 5 and 8. Lower internal buy side? Okay, I'll put it right there. Move stop loss right below fair value gap candle. Okay. I mean, if it filled in this fair value gap and got past the midpoint of this wick, then it's probably going to stop you out, which is why I moved it to like right here, below the midpoint of that wick. Because if it gets below that, then it's probably going to run lower. So that's why I moved the stop loss there. Everything I do makes sense, bro. We got to get above this 15-minute inversion for value gap first. IFVG. Hmm. You know, this would be a really good shorting opportunity. Gambling stream. Gambling paper money stream. It makes sense. Why did you fade us? What are you talking about? Now this is the method, low key. Remember, guys, this would be a good opportunity to go short. But we'll see. You know, chat's always right. So you moving very hurt. You took a loss. It's bro. Music overseer. I am perfectly fine, bro. First presentation for Vega. Oh, I don't even have that on my charts. I should probably have that on my charts. Let's see where that's at. Oh yeah, first presentation for Vega. That was a great call out. Who said that? Greatest. That was a great annotation because I didn't even have that on my charts. We're just having fun. Yeah, we're just having fun. But I don't know why people think that I'm upset, bro. Q Banks has real withdrawals unlike ICT. Q Banks is the GOAT. We should all trade opposite of chat. No, chat clearly is the algorithm, bro. Like they know something that we don't. So we have this breaker as well. Oh, chat. Looks like your longs are starting to struggle here. I am trolling. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Guys, what happened? What happened to all that chatting, bro? Your stop loss, I mean, your TP didn't even get hit. See, guys, this is what happens. I'm gonna go short now on this paper account if we get the opportunity. Remember what I was saying up here? Remember how I said this would be a good opportunity to go short? You guys just don't listen. I think I just moved out on accident. If we get a 15-second for value gap entry, I'll go short on this paper account for you guys. If we even get the entry. All right. We're gonna have a 1 minute for value gap too. 5 seconds. We have this breaker. Add more on the fair value gap. Inversion breaker, midpoint, order block. Man, this short looks sexy. Doesn't this look so good, guys? Doesn't this look way better than the longs? I don't know about you guys, but looks pretty good to me. Let's see all these people who are trying to go long get stopped out now. Uh-oh. Chat. Chat, what's going on, chat? I thought we were long, chat. What's going on, chat? Let me get rid of the arrows, execution arrows, because they're kind of in the way. There you go. You literally were the people trying to go long. Yeah, I was trying to go long like up here, not down here though. It's going to take. Chat said just hold into drawdown like thanks. Bro, the only thing I've ever seen of Q Banks is that one I think it was like CPI clip where he was trading CPI and he just like lost like multiple six figures. Oh, the shorts get stopped out. I'm pretty sure chat's about to go crazy now. Um, no, Neko, I'm chilling, bro. I don't care about the trolls, bro. I'm trolling right now. I'm not taking anything serious. How much would I risk on a 50k eval, bro? It depends. You can't ask like someone else like how much they risk because whatever you're comfortable risking is going to be different than everyone else. There's not going to be like you're not going to be comfortable risking the same amount that I'm comfortable risking. So you have to figure out what you're comfortable risking yourself. Patrick is better than most ICT YouTubers. Facts. Now long. God, I'm not just gonna keep going back and forth, bro. Oh yeah, that's right. Phil, I know you're watching me, Phil. Do I know ICT student Fro? Yeah, I see him on Twitter sometimes. What do I think about Tanja? I don't really watch her. I don't watch anyone, but I hear she's pretty good. Who's Patrick? Some blonde content creator. Are you aware that demo losses are going to affect your psychology because it will affect your confidence of No, I mean maybe other people, but not me. Like I could care less about what the market's doing right now. We're still not doing anything. So Patrick is insane. Yeah, he's an entertainer. He's not. Well, I'm not gonna say anything, but I don't want to speak bad on anyone, but his job is to entertain. Chat caught that crab pattern. They seen something I don't. I guess so, bro. Learn Larry Williams. I might have to. Why did ICT blow up every public account he ever traded? That I do not know. But if you go into the charts and see that, see the concepts, you'll see that ICT stuff works. So, what about Dodgy? Dodgy, I don't know about Dodgy. Good to see that myself. Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. You know, I took those two losses, and I'll just come back tomorrow with that account and get out of drawdown. Maybe, probably. I'm not worried about that account. I'm getting social engineered by the chat. Bro, I'm trolling the chat, bro. See what I'm doing right now is what majority of social media traders do. They entertain. I'm kind of just entertaining right now. I'm not really doing much. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, I'm back. Drawdown for what? What do you mean? 346 to 356 order block will form. This guy might be a market maker. Bro got cooked. I indeed did get cooked. What is this price action? FOMC. How many? I've been studying ICT for almost 2 years. Super arc. Trading lower than 4 hour gives you PTSD. I think eventually, like, the end goal is to become a scalper. How can I be trolling when you literally thought previous day's low was going to be taken? I mean, yeah, I could think something and... What are you talking about, bro? Not the market maker. Equal highs above. Opinions on market maker trader. I don't know. I don't really worry too much about those Twitter traders. Entertainment is fine. How am I how am I being rude? Chat, am I rude? Copying a account Daytona. Herolito, I mean they're a new firm and they have a lot of restrictions on their payout rules. So just make sure you're aware of like all of their rules if you're gonna get an account with them. Why scalper and not swinging? There's more opportunities, and I like being in and out of my trades. I got cooked. I did get cooked today. It's all good. We all get cooked once in a while. The only difference is I'm not ashamed to get cooked. Most people are ashamed to get cooked, which is why they hide everything. How do I use Copy Trader for multiple accounts? I use Top Step X, which is like Top Step's like built-in platform. I think there's consolidation. I don't trade today. See you tomorrow. Yeah, there's consolidation. Show us your broker. Yeah, most people can't show broker statements, and most people can't show the same account for over a month. I'm not being rude at all. Okay, yeah, thank you. Someone said I was being rude, so I didn't know how. Bear flag pattern? Oh my god, guys. Wait, this guy's right. It's a bear flag forming. You see how we hit that first presentation for Baguette? On a serious note. I think I spelled that right. I think. You get cooked because you're cocky. This guy might be onto something. How long have I been trading? Like when did I fully commit? Almost 2 years. VFX bill. Do I use MFFU? Yeah, they're not bad. Did the stop loss get hit? On which one? I took you don't move your stop loss closer. What do you mean? Bro, how do I have music overseer? How do I have an ego? I took 2 trades on my funded account and then stopped with my funded account. And ever since then, I've just been like, I've been chilling, bro. How do I have an ego? Thank you, Shane. Love shorts from here. We'll see. First I was rude. Now I have an ego. Do I really have an ego? Where did the ego come from, bro? I don't know. When you trade live, people want to see you lose. Exactly. That's another fact. I'm getting rage. No, chat is getting rage baited. What did I learn today? I learned today that you shouldn't trade FOMC. Well, I already knew that, but still did anyways. Was that MFFU? Yeah, earlier it was. Music Overseer has beef with me. I know. I don't know what I did to that guy. He must have like recently blown his account or something. Top Step or Apex? Definitely Top Step. They move in price? No, I think they are. Everyone has an ego to a certain extent. $500 profitable traders in chat. No, that's facts. All of a sudden, everyone's a profitable trader. You don't think you want to trade FOMC anymore? Yeah, no. There's a reason why ICT did not trade today, and you're seeing exactly why. You learned if you ever stream not to have a live. Yeah, I don't like look at chat while I'm like actually trading. But since I'm already done, I'm just messing around with chat. Since everyone here that saw me lose seems to be a profitable trader for the past 10 years, and you know they have a mansion and a boat. So stream charts on Twitch. Why should I go on Twitch? We probably just subbed to channel first time seeing y'all. Well, I just music overseer. I don't get how I have an ego or how I was being rude. Can you elaborate on the last account you blew and what was going through your head and what you regrets? So I think the main mistake I did with those accounts was thinking that I could risk more because I built up a nice buffer, and like this is why I said like you can't ask someone how much to risk on a certain account because everyone has their own mental risk tolerance, right? So like even like if you're a beginner trader and you just get handed $100,000, you can't just go out risking $1,000 per trade as a beginning trader because your mental risk tolerance won't be able to handle that. So when I tried increasing my size, on my funded accounts, even though I had built up a buffer and it wasn't over leveraging. I still wasn't comfortable risking that much, and that's what led me to ultimately go on tilt. So on a serious note, that's what happened with those accounts. You can do this, bro. Thank you, Rix. I checked. The only thing is scaling rule. Harley's no, they have they have like a 20% consistency rule. Let's go to sleep. It's FOMC. Yeah, I'm just reading chat at this point. I'm not even looking at the charts. The problem is losing while you're in drawdown. Yeah, it's part of it. It's part of going on tilt. How will you journal today? Just say you got dumped. Like, I don't even know how I would journal a day. Like, well, it depends what you did. If you took a trade, you took a loss, journal about it. Say that. Well, I don't know. It depends what you did. Like, for me, I took my 2 losses, and, it's not like they were bad setups. They were good setups to me. It's just, the conditions weren't ideal, and I was offside. So I would just journal and be like, I took a loss today. And, I'm not upset about them because they were good trades to me. And I'll just move on to the next day. That's how I would journal today. Can I explain my model? I can do it real quick. So we have New York Open. Oops. This is basically what I look for every day. You have 9:30 open. I look for a Judas swing. Like, if I'm bearish, I want to see manipulation to the upside, and then I'll look for shorts with the 2022 model. That's basically it in like simple terms. 2 trades away from payout now, bro. Take it slow. Don't rush it. Is Top Step reliable? Yes. Ignore these. Yeah, I'm not tripping off these people, bro. Do I still play any games? I did, but honestly, recently, like the past, like all of September, I haven't really been touching my games. Explain my setup with a single line. I tried. I kind of did. I think that was like the simplest way I could put it. The real question is the last presentation of Fair Value Gap. Yeah, I was just offsides. Yeah, it happens. I was offsides, and price wasn't really moving like that. The only like good run was from this 2022 model, but it wasn't really like a good setup to me. We ran out minor sell side, and then we ran out the news low, FOMC low, but we failed to get the previous day's low, which is what I would have been targeting. So it happens, being offsides. Can I open 4 hour and 15 minute? Yeah, I got you. Let me go on ES chart. I mean, not ES. So we took out the news low, and then we hit that daily inversion for value gap high again, and that's where we seem to stop. That's where we seem to keep hitting and not going any lower than that. But this guy wanted me to look at the higher time frames. 4 hour. This is 4 hour. That's what the 4 hour looks like, right? So we're just sitting in this consolidation still. And then you said the 15 minute? Yeah. This is 15 minute. So I do think that we'll still clear out these lows eventually. Might even do it right now. My dream is to go long into Ice Spice. Bro, what? Bro, I gotta play with Ice Spice. Have I always traded ICT? No, I used to trade like bear flags and stuff. What do I think about entries out of inversion for value gaps? If that's what sits right with you and that's what you're comfortable with, then by all means stick with it. 569. Remember my words. All right. What's my risk management plan? In terms of what? I made 30K in 3 days. Yeah, I did. But then I blew those accounts in one day. So thank you a lot for our latest upload. You're welcome, Matthew. I'm glad I was able to help a lot of people, by showing the real side of trading. Dude, why are people beefing in my chat, bro? Come on. Which ones tend to be bearish, bullish? Low key, talking to low key. I haven't really paid too much attention to that. I still use the ICT seasonal tendencies. That's what I mainly focus on. This is your inversion for value gap. You can see how the wicks came up to the midpoint, respected that, and then the bodies are still respecting it. So we'll see if we want to get out of this range during this last market on close macro. Did I withdraw at least? No, I was 1 day away. Thanks for the stream, no problem. What's a presentation for value gap? The first presentation for value gap is the first for value gap after market open. Good stream, thanks. 1529 gray pool, bro. ICT and his gray pool concepts. I watched it. I kind of understand what it is. It's like when you have two long wicks. I'll have to see it again, but yeah, that was a new one. Thank you for streaming. No problem, bro. How do you see seasonal tendencies? I use the ICT seasonal tendencies. I don't know if there's a chart for it, but if you want, just go on YouTube and type in ICT seasonal tendencies, and you'll probably see an ICT video pop up. Have I ever gotten a payout? Yes. How many evals did it take you to pass my first funded? I don't remember. Great pool. I don't think it's that complicated. I think you just have to see it, understand it, and then see it happen over and over again, and then you'll start to understand it. But I just hope that with him, the ICT releasing that video, I hope everyone just doesn't start jumping on that. But they probably will. Everyone's just gonna start using the gray pool marketing method. Best gray pool 90% win rate. My couch respecting consequent encroachment? Yeah, it is. That inversion. We're also respecting the new day opening gap. How and why did I blow? Hope I punished myself? Bro, what? Did you think I what? What do you mean you hope I punished myself? You don't wanna when you do something bad, let me give you some advice, okay? When you do something bad and you're journaling, you don't wanna talk down on yourself. You don't wanna be mean to yourself. You don't wanna punish yourself. You want to tell yourself that it's gonna be okay and it's not the end of the world. Obviously, you did mess up and you learn your lessons, figure out what you did wrong, but you don't want to you don't want to be negative to yourself and beat yourself up because that's just gonna make things worse. Great Pool is basically B pair with Wix. From what I've seen, my first time watching that video, basically, yeah. How long have I been profitable? I've been profitable for a year now, but I'm in terms of profitability, being able to make money, I got my first payout a year ago, but I spent a year trying to overcome myself. Have I watched all the mentor? No. Have I learned it from anyone besides ICT? No. Green or red today? Red. On my funded account. You watched 2024? No. I watch like bits and parts of it. Like whenever I get bored, I'll watch like some of it. Blazer needs a pow pow. Nice. Yeah, don't be hard on yourself. It only makes don't you don't want to beat yourself up when you mess up because it'll just make things worse. Have I tried swing trading? No. Do I use a specific PD array or model? I use the 2022 model for value gap. Will I go short? No. You've watched all of 2024 and it's painful? What do you mean painful? How's it painful? What indicator do I use? I don't use any indicators. Did I watch the 2012 mentorship? No. What did I do differently in crossing over to become profitable? I stopped doing the dumb stuff like over trading and over leveraging. Let go of money. Yeah, let go of money and don't be connected to the outcome of your trades. Have I considered not trading FOMC? Yeah. Watch for this run on sell side here within this 10-minute window. 345 to 355. That's your market on close macro. So watch the run on sell side here. Is my favorite anime AOT? Yes. How do you draw opening range gap? You go to the bottom down here where it says electronic trading hours, change that to regular trading hours, and you draw your opening range gap like that. From today's open to yesterday's close. Trying to make sure we don't miss this this drop in the sell side here. We have a 15-minute fair value gap. I mean, not 15-minute, 15-second fair value gap here. See if this drops us. We came down, we hit that daily inversion fair value gap high again. I'm not going to push a button now, I'm just going to watch. Did I tell my mom when I blew 30K? I know I don't even tell my parents that I trade. Do I only trade micros? Mainly short. Yeah, shorts would be good right now for the run on sell side. What is realistic in the first year of profitability in terms of profits? I don't know what you mean. And this order block. What is the difference between ETH? ETH is electronic trading hours. RTH is regular trading hours. Market help me improve. I'm scared part that I'm facing now. What are you scared of? Super Arc MC. How quickly was I able to learn ICT? Like a year. But I learned, majority of my learning came from watching the markets live. ETH just shows overnight trading, like London. Like this is ETH. If you go to RTH, you're missing a lot. You miss all of the overnight price action basically. Yeah, let me go back here so we don't miss this run if we want to run lower or not. What are micros? Micro contracts. So just smaller sizes, smaller position size basically. Do I trade every day? No. Live? Yes. Whenever I do trade, I do go live. Not on YouTube though. What can one expect to make in the first year after finding consistency? You shouldn't have any expectations on how much you're gonna make. So I can't really give you an answer on that. Casual say all this price action is random. The market makers are melting faces, gang. Yeah, I know. I don't get how people say the markets are random, but there's your previous day's low from this 15-second for value gap. We'll see if we can run down to the weekly low. During when? During the market on close macro. So 345 to 355, that's your market on close macro. What leverage am I using? What? There we go. Yeah, there's the shorts. Alex G. I don't know who Alex G is. $100 to 1 mil. It's definitely most likely a scam. We have another 30-second for value gap here to see if we can run down to this Monday's low. Can you show us how you do your journal? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a video on how I journal. Where do I live trade every day? In my Discord. Alex G the phony. Yeah, if someone says they're doing $100 to $1 million challenge, it's definitely a guru. Thought the macro ended at 4. Not the market on close macro. Isn't close macro 350 to 4? No, it is 345 to 355. And that's what you're seeing right now. Is it free, the Discord? Discord's free, yeah, but the live trading every day is not free now. Those bodies, that inversion for value gap, yep. Markets are random. He is scammer, got exposed. Yeah, Alex G is probably a scammer. What are my trading hours? AM session, New York AM session. Textbook trade. Yeah, this short was a textbook trade from here to the previous day's low. How much is live? If you go into Discord, and there will be a link to check it out. $100 to $1 million challenge is just a marketing scheme to sell courses. Exactly. Why a huge gap is showing in your NQ chart? Where? There could be multiple reasons for that. Alright, so we took previous day's low, and the way that we are acting right now, it's hard to tell if we'll run down from Monday's low as well. We have an order block. So you want to watch the midpoint of this order block. It's this blue line. Right now we're respecting it with the bodies of the candles, right? You can see the bodies coming up. Then they closed down here, came up, hit the order block, closed down here. Actually, it's hard to see with this line. I'll draw a box. That's easier to see. So we'll see if price wants to drop here. Or if it's done. It might be out of gas for the day. And just take out previous day's low. That's it. Did you buy ICT course or you learned from his YouTube? I learned from his YouTube. Yeah, why are we spamming, bro? You're acting like my chat is like that fast, bro. You don't have to spam for me to see your message. We are generating a lot of buy side. Yeah, we'll probably run that buy side tomorrow. Can I mark the trades I took today? Yeah, let me see if I can. I took this one. And then I took, I think it was, yeah, I took this one right here. So both trades I just got like stopped out like immediately. Those are my trades. I entered on the fair value gap for both trades. That fair value gap, and then this small little fair value gap that I thought we'd want to run higher off of. But I was just offsides. I was looking for the buy side to get hit, but we didn't take that out today, so that's what happened. Bro, chat's not moving that fast. I know, bro. I don't know why we're spamming. Lots of good content on YouTube. Thank you. Of course, when they're on info for you. Yeah, I don't get why people would like pay for ICT content. Even like all of his like private stuff, there's like leaks everywhere. People who are selling ICT content is just trying to make money. This ICT is hard. Yeah, ICT concepts are pretty they're pretty hard at the beginning. Isn't that a rejection block? I don't know what you're talking about. This one? I don't think it's a rejection block. Pretty sure it's a order block. Kinda seeking destroy profile today? Yes. Will I get long if we get previous days low and got higher? No, bro. The market closes in 5 minutes. Bro. I'm not gonna trade. And the overtrade. I don't care no more. You only realize it. Yeah, exactly, Raph. You only realize it once the damage is already done. Wouldn't pay for stuff if I could fall asleep. I mean, I think ICT, his content is very good. Like, obviously, you know, like he talks a lot, but his talks most of the time, like, have a lot to do with trading. All right, see you, Herlito. But yeah, his talks do like sometimes he just like talks about absolutely random stuff, but most of the time he does talk about like, you know, like actual useful stuff in the market. Good session. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Beast. Buy side tomorrow. We'll see. Injection block at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. was when FOMC came out, bro. Yeah, I think the market's done. Previous day's low was the target. What about TGR Guru? I like when he gets at the first. Yeah, that's funny when he starts like screaming and cussing. That is funny. Whatever. Alright, see you, Ref. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream pretty soon. Market's closed, so there's not really much to do. But yeah, I was offsides today. Didn't get that buy side that I wanted, and we ended up going lower for previous day's low. So what's the highest profit of yours for one day? Probably that 18K day I had. Rejection block on the high at 2 p.m. on NQ with SMT on ES. About 2 p.m. there was the FOMC. I don't know. I don't trade. I don't know what like rejection blocks look like because I don't trade them. Not a guru. You're saying TGR is not a guru? Well, if you don't think he's a guru, then that's on you. You only use the last 5 end dogs and wogs. I just have like the most recent ones because like we had that contract rollover, so I wasn't gonna like go and mark out every single one. So yeah, W session. Thanks, bro. You're going to trade live on YouTube or Discord? I go live every day in Discord, but not on YouTube, and you guys can probably see why from the chat. But yeah, in Discord, I'm a lot more serious in like teaching and making sure that like these guys are learning. But today I didn't really care. 9-5 mental prison for real. If you can do it exactly, TJ. Anyone can do it, no matter the age, no matter the race, no matter anything, bro. The only difference is mindset. And if we have the same mindset, Anything is possible. Simple offsides, and that's yep, exactly. I mean, yeah, you're not gonna be on sides every single day, right? Or else you would never lose, or not never lose, but you'd always, know where the market's going. No one knows where the market's going every single day. ICT might know where, but other than that, what do I use? Trade futures? I use prop firms. Am I putting any trades live right now or no? No, I'm already done. I've been done for a while. Let the feed their own illusion. Then wonder why they can't make it. Yeah. Asia and London will get buy side. I don't think Asia and London will get buy side. I think we'll wait for New York. Good sesh, thanks, bro. How much am I down today? From those two trades, I think like 1,200 or 1,100. I was risking 500 per trade, and like I guess some of like the commissions and stuff. So lost two trades. No problem, Elias. Do I think ICT created the algorithm? Mm, no, I don't think he created the algorithm. I think he created like a way for everyone to be able to see it. I don't think the actual algorithm itself. No, I don't think he created it. Play for April lows may have begun. No, I definitely think we're gonna run out these equal highs up here. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this stream here. If you guys enjoyed, leave the like. I'll leave this up on my YouTube, but I don't know. Actually, I might rename it to like me losing. I'll rename it so that people can watch me lose and see how I handle losses, in case they're curious. Did I just paper trade today? No, I took I took 2 losses, Kenneth, and then I switched to paper trading. What do I like most about trading ICT? The precision of its concepts, for sure. I like how accurate it is. W stream, thank you, bro. Thank you. But yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh my god. My voice is gone from talking all this time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this stream. Enjoy the rest of your day. And make sure you guys journal if you traded today. Journal about how today went. Am I normally on the charts this late? No, I only trade the AM session. I only traded the PM session today because there was FOMC. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and be safe. Don't do anything stupid, and follow your rules. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. I don't know when I'll upload a video, but if you're not in my Discord, join up my Discord, and I'll see you guys later. Love from Ethiopia. Thank you, bro. Thank you. All right, you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace.